In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a shape in PowerPoint from start to finish. Rotating shapes is a quick way to add polish and personality to your slides. Whether you're highlighting a key point with an arrow or adding a design element like a star or rectangle, a clean rotation helps everything look intentional and professional. Start by adding a shape to your slide. Navigate to the slide where you want it, choose the shape you need, and click and drag to draw it in place. If you want to keep it perfectly balanced while you draw, like making a perfect circle instead of an oval or a perfect square instead of a rectangle, hold down the Shift key as you create it. Release the mouse first, then let go of Shift to lock in that ideal proportion. If it isn't quite where you want, you can drag the shape to reposition it before rotating. Now let's rotate. The simplest way is to use the rotation handle at the top of the shape. When you select the shape, you'll see a small circular handle above it. Hover over that handle until your cursor changes to a rotation icon, then click and gently drag left or right. Move slowly for better control and watch how the shape turns around its center. If you're aiming for clean angles, hold Shift while you rotate to snap in consistent increments, which helps you land on neat angles like 15, 30, or 45 degrees. Release the mouse when the shape looks aligned the way you want. There's another option if you prefer a more tactile approach. Click and drag the corner opposite the direction you want the shape to rotate, and keep nudging it until it lines up with your slide content the way you like. Use a light touch and keep an eye on the edges of your shape to gauge alignment with nearby text boxes, images, or placeholders. If the shape doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Press undo to step back and try again, or repeat the movement in smaller adjustments to dial in a precise angle. Once you're satisfied, take a moment to view your slide in normal or slideshow mode and make sure the rotated shape supports your layout. Small refinements go a long way toward making a slide feel cohesive and well-designed. And that's it. You've now rotated a shape in PowerPoint quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on new uploads.